Love is love. Recipe Chana Pulao. Take pan. Take cooking oil. Take 2, cut slice onion, and cut slice ginger. When onion brown, add white chana already washed and dip overnight and boiled. Add 2 cut tomatoes and 6 chopped green chili. Add salt, red chili mix garam masala, cumin as your taste. Add garlic, grind paste little. Add imli water, already dip in water little. When all chana masala well cook, then add clean water, suppose rice to glass. Add water 3 glass. When water boiled, add rice already washed and dip in water 2 hours. Water dry, rice will be on dam 10 min. Food color add and dam 5 min. Chana Pulao is ready. Serve with